Hey, Stu from UAV Futures here, and today, well, I've got a very special video. You know, a big place in my heart is about getting people flying, sharing this message of FPV, and I couldn't do it without you guys, and I love to give back. I love to give you guys some videos to watch, and today, we've got something even better that I think is going to get a lot of people flying. What we've got a whole bunch of bind and flies and other things, radios, goggles, a whole bunch of stuff, thousands of dollars worth of kit to give out to you guys. Now, first and foremost, this is a big one for my Patreon, so thank you so much for supporting the channel. We don't get any support in terms of sponsorships. We're not like some of the other channels out there. We don't have our own products. We don't have our own store, all that sort of stuff. So everything you see on UAV Futures, it's because of you guys. It's because of the community, your support. You keep this channel going, and we keep championing this message of FPV and getting people airborne, because there is no better feeling as far as I'm concerned than getting flying with your mates, being free, and just having an absolute blast. FPV really is life-changing, and that's why I'm so passionate about it. That's why I want to share it with you guys. Now, with that said, if you do want to check the Patreon link down below, continue to support the channel. We've got some big goals coming up, some really, really exciting things I want to do, more than just videos. The link's going to be down below. It takes about 2 minutes to sign up, and there's some really, really cool things. Now, let's kick it off. We're going to do the Patreon segment first. So we're going to go through all the things that Patreon supporters are going to get, and then we'll do the subscriber stuff at the end. There is a lot of bind and flies, actually. So we have, I don't even know which side to start on. Let's start off with these pair right here. Because with the goggles, what these are the Sky O3s, and look, they're not the best goggle, this version. I like the new version, but these goggles, I didn't really find the faceplate too comfortable, but maybe someone out there, look, it still is like a $400, $500 pair of goggle, so maybe someone's going to enjoy that. Shout out to whoever wins that. I should just start putting these things to the side, and then I guess we should just start from this side, work our way to the left. So we've got our little TBS frame, the Source one. I really like this. I felt like it was a nice value option coming in from TBS, so you can go watch. I'll put like a playlist of most of these products down below anyway, everything you can get, or you can just search my channel. Most of this stuff we have reviewed, so there's going to be that. This one here, this one I'm really, really excited about, and I think this is some of the major prizes for today, besides those goggles, which I hopefully, look, some people will like, but we are giving away not one, but two of the HD LRC Batmans. So this is my version. I'm going to put that out of the way as well, but I am giving away, I've got two brand new spankers right here. Now the Batmans, they're absolutely kick-ass. They are a top-notch, like top-tier FPV race you can take out of the box. They fly very, very nicely. We gave one away the other day on the Q&A, and I know the pilot who's got that is very, very happy, so big shout out to them. That's going to be going out to the Patrons. Next we have, I guess, I wasn't sure what this one was, so I opened it up. It's just a little mystery bind and fly tricopter sort of thing, so I don't know if it's got a receiver in there or not, but it's a little sort of micro brushless quad. We should probably keep kicking it off. We have a Diatone, a lot of stuff from Diatone too, so we've got a Diatone frame to give out to you guys. So I don't know what this one is called, but I don't know, it's here. I haven't done the review on it, but it doesn't matter. I'm still going to send it out to you guys. I only loosely put it together. Next we have, let's get these two radios out of the way. So what these are, I actually have a bit of a plan. I want to build something where I can teach kids to fly, you know, so sort of start a drone class or something like that. That's a big dream of mine. It's just getting people flying, and a big part of that is getting on the sim and practicing, all that sort of stuff. So I went out, I bought a bunch of these radios, and I bought two extras as well to give away to you guys, because I was buying a whole lot, and I thought, well, I might get some for my Patreon supporters as well. So there's been a big box next to my front door, actually. So shout out to my wife for sort of letting me take up a lot of space in the house with all this sort of stuff. Let's keep kicking it off. You would have seen this review the other day. This is of the Speedy Bees. This is going out to my Patreon supporters as well. So I'm using one of them, but the rest, it's ready to be given away. Really easy to hook up to your drone. You can hook it up to your phone, even for you Apple people. So I know a lot of people like just use an Android, all that sort of stuff. Well, if you're unfortunate enough to be on iOS, my phone was given to me a long, long time ago from my sister. So that's why I use an Apple phone, but I can actually change my Betaflight settings in the field thanks to these. Put these to the side. Coming up next, you haven't seen this, but this review is going to be coming out very, very soon. So I've got a whole bunch of the Black Knight VTXs and also a bunch of the cameras from FXT, so I only need one of each to do the review. So I've got a whole heap to give out of them. They're very, very similar, I think, to the AKK stuff, but we'll be checking that out as well. That should be in a very, very recent video, but because I only need one of each, I can send the rest out, which is great. This one right here, well, I've got two of these. I'm only giving one away though, because look, I'm still working. This one is like a prototype. This one is the finalized version, but I'll be giving out this one, so this should be going out to one of my Patreon supporters as well. That's like a little 180 size, not 180 size, 1806, I should say, motor size, little ultralight, a very, very light little racing drone from Diatone. So congratulations, patrons, you're going to be getting that as well. This one here, it's a little Sky RC charger. I was meant to do a review on this, but look, I'm just going to give this away, so don't tell Sky RC that I haven't done the video. Anyway, so that's going to be going out as well. Got some Emax motors. That's another one of those VTXs. A little charger if someone's into micros as well. We have a little, speaking of micros, one of these little bad boys. I don't even know what this one is called, but that's going to be coming out as well. Then moving over to this side, I really need to find the names of these, and it does get a bit confusing in my head because there's been a lot of drones coming lately, a lot of Bynaflies, but the next thing on the Patreon list is some of these. This is the Diatone Crusader GT something or other, but that's going to be going out as well. One's for my version because I haven't reviewed it yet, I've just been flying around, so one's for me, but I'll be sending the other one out to you guys as well. Let's get these off the bench. And then this one, what we've got right here, so you can see this is the Eachine Wizard. So this one's brand new. You know, I'm not even going to bother to pull it out because I'm just going to have to set that off. But we have, you can see I've got the old school Wizard there. There's another one up here. That one flies really, really well, but this one hasn't even been taken out of the box, so someone's going to be enjoying that as well. So congratulations. So many Bynaflies. And then this one, well, this one, I don't even know if we ever did the video on this, so I flew it, I did break it, I broke the VTX off, and that was the first thing I sort of said that I don't like about it, and it crashed in its first flight, but there's still some motors, 4-in-1 ESCs, all that sort of stuff, so look, it's not completely useless. Someone out there might be able to resalvage it, at least get some components out or reuse the frame or something like that. Alright, so we'll put that one to the side. I'm just going to put this one, man, I've got to move some of this stuff, it's distracting me. And then the last part for my Patreon, so there is a heap of stuff for the Patreons today, because look, I really couldn't share this message. I want to do some more stuff with the channel, not just FPV, but reaching more people. I want to get more people flying, more people making friends, connecting through the hobby. Maybe some people, maybe, you know, they haven't had a chance to express and connect themselves like FPV. That's what it was like for me. Anyway, the last part too, for the patrons, everybody who's in the $10 or up tiers, regardless whether you just signed up, regardless whether you just got your straps, you know, last week, or whether you got them 2 months ago, 3 months ago, every single person who's in the 10 or above tiers, you're going to be getting an extra strap. So I'll be sending there's a lot more than that, but I'll be sending a lot more out to you guys as well. And then, yeah, so that's for the Patreon supporter people. So thank you so much for letting me do what I do. Let's push it even further. Let's reach more people, get more people flying, more kids flying, more families flying together, having a blast, not taking life too seriously, you know, at the races, and just all around enjoying FPV with your mates and having a bit of a laugh. And that brings me on to my subscribers, because, you know, thank you for watching my video. It's not all about the patrons. They are the people who let me do this content, but I still greatly respect and appreciate all my subscribers who watch my videos. Thank you so much for putting your comments down below, for watching my videos, for providing feedback, all that sort of stuff. So I've got a pretty cool prize for you as well. What we've got, a big shout out to Diatone, because they're giving away, I actually wanted to review this one, but I never got around to it. It's like the little Crusade. I'll put a picture on the screen. I'll put the link down below. There you go. Go check out the prize. This is for the subscribers for the Diatone GT something or other. It's like a little Bynafly. And then we've also got a shout out to Bangers for sending us over this, the X-Lite. So you might have seen, I really like the X-Lite. I've been enjoying it. I think it's a really, really good Thumb Pilots radio. It's rocking free, you know, the FrSky protocol, which is what 99% of my drones are. So someone out there, one of my subscribers, you're going to be getting one of these shipped out to you as well. To enter that for my subscribers, that's pretty easy. I'm not going to ask you to like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, all, you know, because you've probably already a subscriber if you're watching a video like this. All I want you to do is go down in the comments down below, you know, and this is open to everyone who's a subscriber, whether you're a Patreon and a subscriber or just a subscriber for this prize. Just put something down below that lets me know, you know, one, what you enjoy about this content and what you enjoy about UAV Futures, and two, for a bit of feedback for me, do something for me, let me know what would you like to see. And also, what would make you consider joining the UAV Futures Patreon family? Because I'm all about making the content that you guys want to see. So definitely put that down below. There'll be a little link in the description, something about the rules, all that sort of stuff. Other than that, definitely subscribe for more FPV related content. I think, I'm pretty sure there's never been a bigger FPV giveaway before. Thousands of dollars of stuff, a whole bunch of Bynaflies. I can't wait. I can't wait to see the pictures that I get back, the experiences, and just, I know how excited I was when I got my first drone, and when I got my first package sent to me from a vendor to do a review, and just to be able to give that feeling back to you guys when you open a box, you see it's from UAV Futures, and yeah, I think it's just going to be good feels all around. Anyway, enough rambling with me. Subscribe for more FPV related content. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you want to sign up, go check that link out down below. The prize is going to be drawn very, very soon, so make sure you sign up before the end of the month. And as always, happy flying! Alrighty, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel and check out these videos. And I'm also going to leave a little link here to my Patreon page because I've got some fantastic Patreon supporters and I like to give back to them as well. So if you want to join the UAV Futures family, there's things like bonus Velcro straps, little bundles of FPV goodies and things like that that also get sent out. Anyway, happy flying!